Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to change watch battery on a Guess watch. So if you like the video, don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe. So the first thing you want to do is take the pin out that holds one of the links together, and this will make it a lot easier to get the actual backing off. So use this tool, and you can force the pin out, and I'll have a link to Amazon for this toolkit that I have, so if you want to buy it, go for it. So once you force this pin out, then go ahead and take it out, use some pliers or tweezers to get it out if you can't get it out with your hands. And then what you want to do is take this tool here and you want to pop the backing off. There is a little lip that you can put it under. It's harder than I thought it was, to tell you the truth. So there's the lip, but if you persevere, you can get it. You just got to get the tool at the right angle to take off the backing. So the reason why it's so hard is because of the way the watch is shaped with the curve at the end. It's like right in the way where you would put the tool, so it made it really difficult. Anyways, so after that, then go ahead and take off this plastic piece. It only goes on one way, so make sure you note the way it goes on and off. So once you've taken it off, then you just want to replace the battery. So there's an arm on each side. Make sure that those are out of the way before you take the battery out, or you could damage the watch. So pop battery out. This is the new battery that you need for this particular watch, and everything else is in reverse order. So put the new battery in. The arm should shift when you push it in, and then go right over the battery to hold it in place. And there you go. See, it's working. And then make sure you put your white plastic piece back over the back of the watch. Use a hammer or something hard to pop the backing back on. You want to apply even pressure, and it'll pop back into place. And then what you want to do is go ahead and put your pin back in. So remember, it only goes one way with that arrow, so make sure that you note which way your pin came out. Put it in the same way, hammer it in, and that's basically it. So if you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and thanks for watching.